Hey everyone, it's Preston. I want to invite you to the amazing Power of You event that we have coming up. And I want to tell you what the Power of You event is and who's coming to talk to you to share the information. The Power of You event is to get you everything that you need to succeed tomorrow, to get ahead in the world today. I'm bringing you incredible speakers like Mark Victor Hansen, who was one of the co-authors and founder of Chicken Soup for the Soul books. He sold over 500 million books, and he's going to teach you how to get to the next level or how to sell $1 billion in your company. I've got Jeff Hoffman. Jeff Hoffman has worked for companies like Priceline.com, Booking.com, Ubid.com, the Global Entrepreneur Network. This guy's amazing. He's got a Grammy. He works with Pitbull. He's going to teach you what you need to know to get ahead next year and into the future. I've got people like Dr. John Demartini. He's going to come. He's going to teach you everything you need to know so you're in the right mindset, so you're in the right frame, so that you can succeed. He's one of the leaders that was involved in the movie The Secret. He's going to teach you the secrets of The Secret. We're going to teach you things that you can use in your life today to get ahead tomorrow. I've got Meredith Walker. Meredith Walker is from a company called XPRIZE. XPRIZE funds all the most leading edge ideas out there in the world, like going to space or coming up with technologies to solve incredible problems in the world. I have people like Jennifer K. Hill. She's going to come and she's going to teach you with Arthur Samuel Joseph. He's one of the best speakers in the world. They're going to teach you how to use your voice and share it in the world. What can you do with your voice? What's the power of your voice? I have these people and more amazing people coming. It is going to be an event that will change your life. I have the founder of Ancestry.com, Paul Allen. He's coming, but he has a new company called SOAR. We partnered with SOAR, and they are actually helping us to deliver not only an amazing talk with information on what you need to know on AI, the future, video, marketing, and everything Paul's going to teach you about, but you're also going to have an opportunity to have an interactive experience with the entire event, so you can keep the event forever. Have it in your pocket, have a searchable index of the entire event so that you can go back to it and you can learn from it. You can grow from it, because we're doing this to create lasting change in your life. We're doing this to create massive uplift of happiness, joy, and abundance in humanity. So I invite you today, sign up and register right now and bring 10 of your best friends with you. And together we can uplift humanity. I'm bringing over 17 of the world's top thought leaders, top speakers, top people in their entire industry. Look at the event. Look at who's coming. Google these people. They will change your life. You'll be able to listen to them. You'll be able to ask them questions. You'll be able to talk to them. And then not only that, if you learn something that you like, you'll be able to search it, find it, and use it and apply it in your life. We're here to make a difference. I'm here to help you. Eldon Hassa, my business partner, and myself, Preston Weeks, are sponsoring this event. We're the hosts, bringing you the power of you from Formula EQ, our company. And we want to make massive change. We want to help over 100 million people in the world. And I want to uplift your life to give you the tools that you need in your business, in your daily life to succeed tomorrow. So join us. Join us now. Hit the button. Get your spot in the event. Share this with your friends. Send it everywhere that you can, because we want to ignite the power in you. We want to ignite the power in every single thing you do so that you can have every single thing you want in your life. I look forward to seeing you on July 22nd, 23rd. We're going to be running, giving you incredible information. Stay tuned. Get your spot right now.